an image is a bunch of dots. It's an array of dots. It is not at all 3D. Going from the image, which is flat, to a 3D model is a very, very interesting problem. So if you wanted a 3D face scan or a 3D body scan, you had to go to a studio and use a piece of equipment which is worth $60,000, $70,000, $80,000. You have to close your eyes, you have to put something on your head because it doesn't work for hair, and you have to stay still for quite a bit of time.
How can we create these lifelike avatars, but do it in a way that uses commercial off-the-shelf technology and also a method that's fast, on the order of a couple minutes, and fully automatic, so it doesn't take an expert to be able to use it.
So I'm doing the rigid body model, and then Professor Suma, Professor Shapiro put it in motion.
Our group concentrates on, given a character, how do you infuse it with different behaviors and give it some sort of capability to move about in its environment.
I do research in virtual reality and 3D user interfaces, and so the way we decided to do this was to make use of the Microsoft Kinect sensor, which is a low-cost video gaming peripheral that already exists in millions of people's living rooms.
We have a subject stand in front of the Kinect, and they stand at a single pose with their hands at their side for about 20 seconds, and 4 different poses, and they turn in a circle.
From the image, we get a partial shape. All we see is as if we had a shell, and you see a piece of the shell, and then as you turn, we see another piece of the shell, another piece, and another piece, and we put it together.
And the computer has to figure out how to turn those scans into a 3D model of a person. The software that we use for the group is called Smart Body. It's our research platform, so a lot of the work that we do goes into this software. It's actually open source software.
It's probably going to be a free application that you can download from the Kinect that says, scan me, and then you push a button and it will tell you what to do.
Anybody who's interested in computers and movements and games can use the software. The interface itself is fairly easy.
And the output will be a very nice model that you can manipulate, that you can use to insert in a game. The next step is actually going to be to get the face model, because the expression, all of this comes to the face.
Can we capture the way they move in an environment, the way they socialize with other people, the way they interact? Are they nervous? Are they relaxed? Are they confident? If we can capture all that and put them into our virtual character, then we can capture more of the essence of a person.
Someday you will be able to walk up to your TV in your living room, rotate your body in front of a sensor for maybe 30 seconds, and then a minute later out pops a character that looks exactly like you, except now it's holding a lightsaber, or it's has a bow and arrow, and now it can go off and do all the things that we see in video games all the time. But now it's really you.